Hey guys, I'm going to do a sound check on both my bikes, my racing, and my freestyle. First, I'll do my freestyle. The hub is off of my little brother's stock Kink curb. It's a piece of shit, but oh well. It's a Freewheel. I'm too cheap to upgrade to a cassette. Works, so why change it? I know it needs to be true. That's that one. And they recently, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, it's got this new Shimano Freewheel. It looks a little dirty. I think it is dirty. But I got this like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it's almost completely silent compared to freestyle hubs these days. As you can see, the only thing you can hear when I'm racing is my tires. But it works really good. Well, that's that. Both great hubs. That one's sealed. Everything on my racing bike is sealed, and everything on this is unsealed. This hub's pretty shot. It's not doing right now. I don't know why, but thanks for watching, guys.